Photosynthesis by Adrian and Dee Dee. Photosynthesis is a marvel,
a thing that only plants could do.
They breathe in carbon dioxide
and exhale oxygen.
These things make carbohydrates,
which plants need to make energy,
which plants need to live, to give them food to
keep them alive. Since it needs the sunlight to keep us alive by making air,
something the road can't go without.
At night it's like a light switch.
It goes from one node to another. Instead of making oxygen, it does an amazing thing. It starts to breathe like an animal.
A human or a bird, it starts to breathe in
oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. But lucky for us, they make 10 times more oxygen than carbon dioxide.
Photosynthesis. My name is Jillian.
My name is Audrey.
And we are scientists. I work with the air and how it's connected to photosynthesis.
I work with the water and how it's connected to photosynthesis.
It's a lot of fun. Photosynthesis breathes in carbon dioxide and it exhales oxygen.
The roots suck up the water in the ground and gives the plant energy to grow.
The end.
And here are some pictures.
Okay, so the end.
The amazing heart pumping blood,
not missing a drop,
every minute,
every day. Although people think so, it doesn't control
your feelings.
Pumping, beating, pumping, and beating.
Again, the beating
is endless, but someday it'll stop. The heart stops pumping.
It's healthy blood.
But don't
worry about that.
And know
that your heart
is still alive.
And remember,
your heart is amazing forever.
Which heart is better? I'm the big heart.
I'm the small.
It's better to be small.
I disagree, but I don't want to fight. But in fact, I am a long laster.
No, I'm better because I beat faster.
Please, let's not fight.
I'm getting...
You're making me
mad.
sad.
Whatever, I've got to get beating.
Oh, it's okay. My human's got to go to a meeting.
Heart defects are more harmful.
No, heart attacks are more harmful.
Well, heart defects happen to poor little babies. Ha!
Well, attacks happen to moms, dads, grandmas, and grandpas. Ha, yourself.
In that way...
In that way, they are similar.
Are there more than one type of heart attack?
Yes, how about you?
Yes, many.
Okay, we're even. But actually, I researched it, and I got the answer that that heart attacks kill more people. Ha.
Whatever.
Cold. It keeps our body temperature at 98.6. Hot goes from head to toe.
Cold goes from toe to head.
We can't be together, that would be bad, or the body will be sad.
Sometimes I am as cold as the freeze.
And sometimes I am as hot as the sun. We both care about what we love, but sometimes we go above.
Or below.
And we'll also be... I am a flower.
I am a tree.
We live on this planet and we live and breathe.
I take in water.
We take in air. I take in sunlight with very much care. I am a human.
I think and walk.
I have a brain which I use to talk.
Through my many systems,
it's hard to go. Maybe you can do it, but it might have a blow. People and plants
must care for themselves.
Because they help each other, but nobody tells.
First we're going to be presenting mine, and it's called The Heart.
Hello.
It's me.
The heart.
I pump and pump all the blood to your body.
It's very continuous.
That's all I do.
All day long.
But if
it weren't,
for me, you'd be dead.
I have 4 chambers.
The right and left atrium.
And the left and right ventricle.
I have 4 valves as well.
The mitral.
The aortic.
The tricuspid.
The pulmonary.
All of these either pump or receive blood. But wait.
That's not all.
I'm a member of a club. Its name
is the circulatory system.
I have some friends too.
They're very nice.
We're all hearts.
The pig's heart. But the one that looks like me.
The pig's heart.
My closest friend.
He's got 4 chambers just like me. Well, that sums it up.
I hope we cross paths again. The end.
Now K-cuts. Cell.
Cells.
Cells? What are those?
They're the building blocks of life.
What are they made of?
That's easy. They're made of cellular membrane.
Cellular what?
A nucleus.
Like an atom?
An endoplasmic reticulum.
An endoplasma reticulum.
Mitochondria.
Okay, what is that? Okay, mitochondria.
A Golgi apparatus.
What's an apparatus? Oh, I know the next one is DNA.
DNA. Also, there are the ribosomes.
Ribosomes?
They make the protein that helps everything, like the endoplasmic reticulum.
You mean the endoplasma reticulum, right?
It's actually the endoplasmic reticulum.
Oh.
Anyway, there are 3 processes: replication, transcription, and translation, all related to DNA and RNA.
What's replication?
It's when DNA replicates itself.
What's transcription?
It's when DNA makes RNA.
What's translation?
It's when mRNA and tRNA make proteins. Also, there are many types of cells, like blood cells
blood
and
cells?
brain cells.
Like blood cells?
And
Wow,
brain
now I know a lot about cells. Thanks.
Thank you, too.
Cells are awesome,
So
aren't they?
That was a rhetorical question.
I really learned anything about cells.
We see the same thing.
Everything the same,
We close at the same time.
except when you wink.
I'm on the left.
You're on
you're
the right. I'm on the right.
We have a dot
A black dot.
that changes size.
In light and dark,
Inside the iris
a colored ring
is
is
the
the
pupil.
pupil
The smallest thing.
that we have.
What do you see?
How about you?
I see a
group.
class.
A group?
A class.
Wait,
The brain does the
doesn't
work.
I make cookie.
You smell good.
Do you want to taste?
Sure, hop in. It's quite an adventure.
Wet. Ew.
Teeth engage.
Crunch. Mouth. Break up.
Gulp.
Whoa. Listen. Down, down, down. Esophagus.
Acid bath.
Stomach. Am I tunnel or funnel?
Breakdown. Welcome
Bye.
to my villi.
Buy protein, buy carbs, buy fat.
Absorb.
Absorb.
Small intestine. Do you have any water to spare?
Dry,
Dry
out.
out.
Take what you need.
Large intestine.
Throw
Throw
out. Besides, I'm just a waste.
Digestion. Then now it's large intestine.
Why?
Because I don't know how it works.
Well, large intestine is just a tube. Wait.
Shouldn't they be opposite?
Yeah. They should,
Large
because small
intestine is
intestine
only
is
5
20
feet long.
Weird. I like
small
large
intestine now.
They're cool facts. What
What were we arguing about?
Don't know.
I'm the right side, and together we make the heart.
A pump.
A beat,
We
make our seat,
in the middle of the chest.
and a little to the left,
Together we make one.
and less than some,
An atrium.
a ventricle.
We
Each have, I bump blood to the lungs.
and I pump blood to the body.
Surely we're different, but we make one kind.
Seeds. Most of us help meet your needs. Some of us become beautiful flowers. Just stare and spell at us for hours. Seeds. Some of us become fruits and veggies. You eat them so you can be good and healthy. Seeds. Our parts are epicardial, cotyledon, seed coat, radical too. That's way less than people do. Seeds. We grow in a process called germination. There's no better explanation of how we start our creation. Seeds. This is an amazing cycle. An amazing cycle. Oh, how it's my favorite title. Seeds.